Air-operated double-diaphragm pumps. Air-operated double-diaphragm pumps in Georgia are the preferred option in transfer applications because their basic design makes them easy to use and cost-effective to fix. For top performance, these pumps must be installed and operated correctly. Here are 14 reasons why a double-diaphragm pump is perfect for your fluid handling requirements. 1. They can handle fluids containing high solids content, handling a wide range of stickiness. Both caustic and abrasive, air-operated double-diaphragm pumps in Georgia are one of the most versatile pumps in the world. There are no close-fitting or rotating parts, so liquid with a high solid percentage or size of solids can be pumped effortlessly. 2. They are self-priming. The design of these pumps allows for impressive suction lift even when processing heavier fluids. In fact, diaphragm pumps have some of the strongest lift capabilities of any type of pump. 3. They are able to run dry, with no close fittings or sliding parts at risk. The pump can operate even when dry without damage. It is not recommended to dry run constantly or for long periods. 4. Air-operated double-diaphragm pumps in Georgia are explosion-proof because they operate on air. They are considered safe and explosion-proof when grounded correctly following local code. 5. The efficiency level is continuous. There are no rotors, gears, vanes, or pistons to wear out and lead to a steady decline in performance. 6. These pumps provide a variable flow rate and discharge pressure. The pumps will run anywhere within their operating range by simply adjusting the air inlet pressure and liquid discharge settings. 7. They will not overheat. Compressed and filtered air, nitrogen or clean dry air are all very cold, so the pumps actually cool themselves during operation and won't overheat. 8. There are no mechanical seals, couplings, or motors. This reduces much of the maintenance and leakage that is associated with other kinds of pumps. 9. Air-operated double-diaphragm pumps in Georgia are submergible. If an air hose is run above the liquid from the exhaust of the pump, then it can be submerged, adding a tremendous amount of flexibility to the product. 10. They are transportable. These pumps can be moved to wherever and whenever they are needed, making it one of the most flexible pumps available. 11. Installation is easy. After connecting your air supply line and liquid lines, it is ready to perform. There are no complex controls, fittings, or motors to install and operate. 12. Provides high pressure capabilities. With a 2-to-1 pump, the air-operated double-diaphragm pumps in Georgia are able to produce close to 200 side discharge pressure, making them a great choice for filter press applications. 13. No pressure relief or bypass is needed. Because discharge pressure cannot exceed air pressure without the pump stopping, pressure relief at the pump is not needed. This saves installation expenses and reduces possible operational problems. 14. They are sensitive to shear fluids. Due to the nature of the operation, diaphragm pumps are an excellent choice for shear-sensitive fluids like wine or ink. The pumps will handle the product without transferring heat to the fluid as well. If you would like more information or want to know if these easily maintained, inexpensive air-operated double-diaphragm pumps in Georgia are right for your application, call today to speak with one of our experts.